almost a minute now, and maybe my editors will cut this boring, in between timeout, or fast forward it, But hi everyone, Dr. David Cully here with Synergy Wellness in New York City. Today I want to discuss pinched nerves. Okay, this could be a sciatic nerve, a pinched nerve in your neck radiating down your arm. And we have a gentleman here, Arif, who's got a pinched nerve, right?
Yes.
He at one point couldn't even turn his head or his neck, right? Why don't you tell us a little bit about your symptoms?
So when I would be sleeping, both of my arms, especially the left one, it will become numb. Every hour I will wake up at night. It's pretty bad.
Okay. So if you didn't hear him, every hour he would wake up at night, his both arms would go numb. This is a sign of a disc herniation, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about low-level laser therapy and cold laser and how it affects the nerves. Now, when I say low-level laser therapy, guys, I'm not talking about near-infrared and red light therapy. I want to be clear about that. There's a lot of those you could buy on Amazon. That's not what this is. This is about low-level laser therapy. These are 900 nanometer laser diodes and up in the 900 range. So what that does is it soothes the nerves and also soothes irritation around the nerve, compression around the nerve using non-thermal light to boost cellular energy, or ATP. A lot of us know that as cellular energy is ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Don't worry about that, just ATP is good enough. And it does that through the mitochondria, and it oxygenates them, it decreases inflammation, oxygenates and also increases nutrients, enhances nerve repair and regeneration. It just does so much depending on the frequencies that the practitioner uses. So you need to know how to use these lasers as well, but it's not just point and shoot, okay? And I'm gonna show you that in just a second. But it triggers an endorphin release, and this decreases pain signals to the brain and to the irritated nerves. So cellular energy boost. That's what let me get my laser here. So it does, so the light energy is absorbed by the cell mitochondria, and it increases the ATP, or the cellular energy in a way, production of it, which fuels the nerves to repair and also function properly. So he has his sensory nerves irritated. That's why he gets the numbness and tingling. So this is also going to reduce inflammation for him, which will it'll decrease all the pro-inflammatory substances in the nerve pathway, and it's going to just create a healthier environment for him to heal. So normally, do you mind popping the shirt off for me, and you can put the shirt down on the table, lay on top of it? It's going to improve circulation for him as well. Yeah, both of them. Improve circulation as well. Also the pain signal modulation that's going to be happening, and it's just a win-win. So I want to show you guys, this particular laser has an impedance meter here on the front. You could see some metal long pieces here. What that does is I'm able to, with an impedance meter, I'm able to check the areas for inflammation and soft tissue damage. So this is like a stud finder in a way, right? So let's go ahead and do that, and let's just scan him for hold on, I just got a little cold. So I'm just gonna scan in the problem area. I'm working my way up. You notice I started away from the problem area. You don't want to start right over the problem area. And you just go nice and slow. We're going to scan. There we go. There's one right over the levator scapula. That's really often tight and painful for a lot of people. I have another laser over there that's got a bigger head to it. And normally what I would do is I would run my little stud finder laser here, find that, take that laser, put it over that spot, and keep scanning with the other laser, because that laser there is just got a bigger treatment area and it's more powerful. Not to say this one isn't powerful, 50 watts versus 200 watts. So power does matter, okay? And a lot of the lasers you're going to find on Amazon and stuff, again, they're not 900 nanometers. If they are, check the wattage, check the power. You want at least 25 watts. You really do. Okay? Otherwise, you're going to be sitting there all day treating yourself. So it'll beep again when it's done treating him in this spot. Now, sometimes when I scan back over it, it'll beep again, and I'll have to retreat it, which is normal. Okay? So if you see that, nothing to be alarmed about. But you can see this is a bad spot for him because it's been here for almost a minute now, and maybe my editors will cut this boring, in between timeout, or fast forward it, but we're going to basically scan across his back. But that's what laser does for people with pinched nerves, and it does so much more. It's not just for pinched nerves, but if you have sciatic neuropathy, cold laser therapy, low-level laser therapy is really effective. Again, using red light therapy and near-infrared can be helpful for the pain, but if you're wondering why it's not really improving, then you need to really go see a chiropractor. And you should do that first, because they're the only ones that will take the pressure off of that sciatic nerve. But aside from that, laser is very effective. When you get into the 900 nanometers, that's going to be more effective for the nerves in a non-thermal way, okay? So it's still treating this area, and we're going on 2 minutes now, and I'm running out of things to say. No, I'm kidding. But if you guys learn anything from this video, please hit that like button. But if you don't understand laser, please check out my other videos I've done on cold laser therapy. I have a whole playlist on cold laser therapy, different conditions we treat, what is laser, the difference between near-infrared, red light therapy, and laser diodes. And then when you heard me say 900 nanometer and you don't know what that means, check out the other videos, because those videos discuss the difference, again, between red light and near-infrared, which is the nanometers, okay, the measurement there. So, again, if you don't know what I'm talking about there, please refer to those videos. We're going to put that playlist up here for you guys. Aside from that, he came in probably on a 1 to 10 scale. What would you say you were, 10 being the worst?
Yes. Around, yeah, 8.5.
8.5, okay. And where are you at now? And we've treated you about 4 times?
Oh, very good. Yeah, sleeping good through the night.
So we've done a mixture of adjusting, of course, some soft tissue work, laser, and traction. And the mixture of that, you can see pretty quick. 4 visits, this might be the 5th. But is he completely through this? Is it completely resolved? No. Does it have a propensity to come back? Yes. If he doesn't do his homework, the stretches and things I gave him, and then we're going to put him into physical therapy to strengthen the area. But he needs to do his stretches on his own. And if he does that, everything is going to be good. But if he does develop it next time, the pinch, the numbness down the arms, we probably will do an MRI on him at that point, because again, the underlying issue there is most likely a disc herniation. We did take x-rays. He has quite a bit of arthritis in the spine and some disc degeneration. So I know I'm going to see something. Oh, there we go. It beeped. So now we're going to move it across the shoulders. Right there. Probably all, tender spots. And again, I've treated him 5 times. The numbness down the arm, the sharp pain, that's gone. But he's still not 100%. So I just want you guys to be aware. I'm not saying that he's 100% now or close to it. There's still a lot of soft tissue damage that we need to deal with, and that's what the laser does. soft tissue takes time. He's been like this for years, right? This arthritis in his neck didn't develop overnight. Soft tissue takes time to get damaged, and it takes time to heal. And you have to heal the nerves surrounding those muscles and soft tissue in the spine. Then you need to heal the soft tissue. And the fastest, most effective way to do that, hands down, is low-level laser therapy, okay? And a lot of lasers will encompass 600, 700, 800, 900 nanometer diodes. So a mixture of red light, near infrared, and true laser. So I hope that helps you guys. If you have any questions, comment below. I do read the comments, and maybe I'll pick your comment to reply to and do a video on. All right, and there we go. It beeped again. And we're going to scan over the nerve near the spine here. And there we go. On that spot. So we're going to do his whole upper back area, scan it, laser it, treat it, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.